Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Honeywell Home app for smart thermostat control, full guide step by step clearly. Open the Honeywell Home app on your smartphone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, go to your device's app store and search for Honeywell Home. Once the app is installed, launch it. You will be prompted to create an account or log in. If you are a new user, tap on Create Account. Fill in the required information, such as your email address and a secure password. After entering your information, accept the terms and conditions, then tap Create Account. If you are returning, enter your email and password, then click Login. Once logged in, you will see the main dashboard. To add your smart thermostat, tap on the Add Device option. Select thermostat from the list of device types. Follow the on-screen instructions to ensure your thermostat is ready to connect. Make sure your thermostat is powered on and connected to your home Wi-Fi network. You might be asked to enter a setup code, which can usually be found on the thermostat itself. Carefully enter the setup code in the app. The app will search for your thermostat and prompt you to select it once found. Tap on your thermostat to establish a connection. After the connection is made, you can customize your thermostat settings. Set up your preferred temperature schedules. Explore additional features within the app, such as energy-saving modes and remote access. To ensure everything is functioning correctly, try adjusting the temperature from the app. Your Honeywell Home app is now fully activated for smart thermostat control. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.